Welcome to Study Loop.
To solve this problem, let us calculate the value of acceleration first. So I will use the formula d is equal to v naught t plus half at square. Now the next expression will become or d is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 at square. So a is equal to 2d by t square, which is equal to 2 multiplication 8 2 multiplication 8 by t square, that is 6 square, which is equal to 0.444. Now going forward and solving the problem further, so I can write summation of f is equal to MAF minus mg sin theta minus small f. So on simplifying it further, it will be equal to MAF minus mg sin theta minus mu kn, which is equal to, so this value is equal to MA, this value is equal to MA. Note that n is the normal force. Now you can write the next expression as or F minus mg sin theta minus mu k mg cos theta is equal to MA. Now you can write the value of F as or F is equal to M multiplication A plus G sin theta plus mu k G cos theta. So this value will be equal to M. The value of M is given as 5 kg multiplication A. A is 0.444 plus 9.8 multiplication sine 30 degree plus mu k. So here the value of mu k is given as 0.4 multiplication 9.8 multiplication cos 30 degree. So finally you will get the value of f as 43.696 Newton as the final answer. I hope you understand it.